guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with like basically everyone. Here I have my god brother Ramiro. Say hi.
Please, bro.
Here he does. Here I have Lionel. He's from my last two videos. So yeah, he was from first video and my Akinator video. Go check those out and make sure to subscribe so you can become a panda corn.
Or a Starbucks corn.
Yes, comment down below which one you want to be. And be part of the notification squad. I will shout out your name. So here we have Marisa, which is my cousin. Oh, by the way, Lionel is my god brother as well. We have Annalisa here, which is my other cousin. I have basically 4 cousins here. So that's
Her mom. No, she's not.
her.
Did her mom baptize her? No.
No, and did her mom baptize me? No. So today we can play some Subway Surfers. We already played it.
Subway.
Angry Birds was our first video.
I don't want to.
Angry Birds was our first video. So yeah, my first video is the title is first video, and I was playing Subway Surfers. I was playing Angry Birds. Yes, it is recording. See?
Oh, yes, it is.
See?
Okay, it's loading right now.
Okay, it's loading.
So...
It's taking forever. So.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Did you go talk to my mom? Did you go talk to her?
Oh, it's
Okay.
And it is
It's
right.
Christmas season because we're gonna have Christmas is in 9 days for us. It's 9
It's
days.
almost my birthday, by the way.
Okay, I gotta open this. Dang it! I hate when it does this. No. Awesome for putting a little cube in there. No, it's not. Okay, so let's play. I went to
The top
1,000.
is Santa.
Dude, I remember
But
I went to
cannot buy it.
1,000 something. So let's do this.
I'm next.
There you go.
Who is?
Whatever it is.
And then
There it
next,
is.
it's Kane.
Then I like a
I'm
candy
next.
cane.
And then I'm next. Hey, those look like candy canes.
Yeah, canes or canes.
Canes. He's moved. They're moving. Candy cane. Candy cane, but it's just like a square. Oh,
Man, I was gonna go over there to go in the
okay,
back.
Ramiro's turn.
Since Ramiro's not here, I'm gonna go again, boy.
And this Ramiro's mine. You wanna buy it?
Make sure, guys, if you guys get more than 30 likes, I will do another Subway Surfers video for you.
Now move your
guys.
feet, lady. I'm back.
Quiet, boy. You wanna go poop?
Can I try to
Guys.
play? He takes forever sometimes.
He didn't poop because he went way too fast. Do you wash your hands? Go wash your hands. Disgusting. I know when you do not wash your hands or not. Boy over here gonna touch the tablet with your nasty hands where you just peed. Like, no. By the way, Ramiro is a boy, which is disgusting, and he just peed. That's not. Let's do this. So good. I got to 1,000 before. 1,000 something, but then I died. I wish I recorded that. I wish I recorded that. By the way, I'll tell you guys this app in the description down below. This app is called Do Recorder. So if you wanna get this app to be recording like me.
Guess what?
Be quiet, bro.
Knockout.
Be quiet, bro. Be quiet, bro. Be quiet, bro. Okay, you're not playing.
Yes.
No, you're not.
Let's go. Yes.
Hey, you have to be nice.
I was
Let's show you
yes.
go next.
We got a box. Yeah, come on.
Mystery box. Yeah.
I'm sorry. And guys, I don't know what I'm gonna say. But
2
here
mystery
comes the
boxes right here. Man, I jumped on the tree. Okay, let's open my mystery boxes.
And then it's Ramiro's turn.
No, he's not playing.
Yes.
So we got a hoverboard. Let's see what I got next. A guitar.
Can you play a different
guitar? A guitar.
Yeah, other people?
No, I better start playing.
Can I play?
A guitar.
Can I play?
Guitar. I don't know. Because you're disgusting. I didn't even wash your hands.
I did.
Wash your hands.
And I get to play
I
next.
believe you. I don't believe you. Because stop. No, that's not your nasty beans.
Look, there's a mystery box.
Oh, please. guys, I'm gonna do my tricker. Y'all gonna be like, no, you the wrong way, or you're gonna die. Watch, I'll do my tricker. Yeah, I think y'all two already know my tricker. You don't do it. What is it? No, don't tell me if you can't. I know. It's my tricker. Ooh, I got you, Leo. Ha! I told you I know the tricker.
I know the tricker too. Sometimes I do it, but I don't.
Yeah, right, girl.
Yeah, sometimes I do it on this.
No, I only
I don't even know how to do the
tricker. I only do it on the ones that will, like, if you go up, you'll die. Like, you'll wreck into it. That's the only reason I do it, because I can automatically just go on top of it. Watch. Oh, man, I was slow.
Okay, Namia's turn. Namia's turn.
Okay.
And then after you, this is Namia's turn.
I remember on my mom's tablet, like the big one that she had, when she had the iPad until she gave it to Mia, my sister, I had the guy who had the music box.
Oh yeah, I remember.
I had him. I remember. Stop bugging, because right now I don't feel like you are. You can get anything from me.
Okay, guys. We love this magnet because it gets all the coins.
I know. Okay, here it goes. Sometimes I get scared myself when I do it. Ooh, that was so.
Look at that.
Ooh, no, I was way too far.
That was way too risky.
No, because I just hit myself. By the way, my cousin Ramiro's laugh was so weird. So. Comment down below, #weird, Ramiro weird. This is how you spell Dane. RAMIRO. Ramiro's weird. #Ramiro's weird. Just comment that down below.
You're so good at this.
Oh, dude, I got hit. Boy. Yeah, I honestly did get hit. You got hit and then
Ramiro's turn.
Mystery complete.
Mystery complete. Hey, scoot over.
Yeah, boy.
150.
Little himself. No, my pillow. I want some on my back, boy. Okay, I'm gonna go, and I'm supposed to collect. Boy, I already had this dang game. Right. What's the dang game? Bro, you keep on freezing. Dude. Boy, he keeps on pausing. I think he just wants me to do. That's why he kept on stopping. Like, obviously it's of your butt. What?
Was that recording?
Well, no, there's recording.
Hey, go to that me because that's a key.
Sorry, guys, I wanted 2 keys, so I had to watch this ad. Guys, I'll be back with you guys. Let me pause the video. I don't want Okay, guys, right when I paused it, the video ended, so that was pretty dumb. What's wrong with your laugh? Oh my gosh, I don't want it. Jeez. Good. Now I watched the video.
Go to the cell. Go to the cell. Go to the cell. The cell.
Yeah. Don't put me to the back, bitch. Yeah. Yeah.
Go to the bathroom.
Put me to the back, Bruh, I have to watch this video. Sorry, guys. Pause it. At first I thought it was a butt cheek. For real.
Me too.
Sorry, guys. Okay, guys, so I obviously got the little mystery box thing.
You watched another video.
Dude, I was about to press that again. Bro, I was about to. No, I ain't trying, boy, with your wart fingers, boy. Your warty fingers, man. What do you think this is? Wart finger day? You're laughing with your. I don't get how we go through the walls. So dumb. Bro, what am I supposed to jump? Air? Bro. Oh, this is cool. Go! Bro, I hit my face into the wall. How did I not even get it? I was like, boing. Boing. Like, how did, guys, y'all saw that. Y'all saw that, man.
I didn't see anything. I was like,
Trigger.
So you put your trigger on TV?
Yeah, I pulled the trigger to your head.
Oh, the trigger.
And the particular. No, Giselle, my cousin Giselle, my god sister, she's like, poo the nigra. Ain't nobody taking my nigra. And then she's like, my nigra, my
do you know
nigra,
Giselle, my cousin
poopa,
too?
la nigra.
Giselle's
Manigrama.
Giselle's my cousin too.
She's
No,
my
my
god
sister.
sister.
You know what mames means?
Your mom
What's
baptized. Your mom baptized.
Mames?
Your mom
Yeah, it's a
baptized
better-
Mames?
Your mom baptized
Mames.
what's her name?
But Manches isn't.
Oh, you're gonna say Mames, boy? Mames, you guys.
Mames.
Mames to oil.
That's rude. Guys, sorry, panda corns out there. They're over here telling Mames, I don't even know what that means, but okay. What's wrong with you? How long is this video? 10 minutes, 11 minutes already? In like 1 second?
You didn't even let us get. You didn't even.
Okay, guys, I'm trying to get this longest. Don't make me laugh because I really want to get to 1,000 just like last time. Guys, ready? Anybody taking my nigga? He says it like all weird.
My negre.
Ain't nobody
Grandma's
gonna
here,
take
you know
my
that? Don't make me laugh, man. Fly my foot. Pooh, the nigga. And I'm gonna take my nigga. Nothing. We're playing Subway Surfers, Mom.
Yeah, mom.
Yeah, boy.
That was a new trigger. You done bumped your head.
But how's that trigger? I just slide to the side. What the heck? I'm doing that right now. A trigger, boy. Don't make me laugh, man. Guys, I can go way higher than 200.
I can go way higher than 200.
Like 500 too. Like I've gone to 1,000. You guys, no kidding.
I've gone to 1,000 too before.
like past 1,000. Like,
I got
Bro.
to 200. I got
Bro, after you die,
you can't lie. You suck at the
I got
That's
two-
why I didn't want to let you play.
Can I play?
Down to 3. I think that's.
I don't suck that much.
Only if you're good.
I am kind of good.
Kind of. Okay, then you're not playing.
I'm just kidding. I'm good.
Quit lying, Lionel. You suck. You've only wanted 200. Boy, over here saying that you wanted 2,000.
Let me try. After you die, let me try. After you die, let me try.
Guys, that's not me farting. It's Ramiro farting.
No, it's
Sorry about
not.
that. Go to the restroom, you boy. You boy.
No, I'm not 40.
Sorry about my loud laugh.
Can I play?
Just when I laugh, I'm so dang
But
loud.
can I play?
Boy, no! That I told you, guys. That was a freaking trigger right there. I almost got hit. You know what else is gonna get hit? Ramiro's face if he don't stop talking. Did Ramiro you laugh? That was thank you. Guys, I'm already at 400 right now. 400 something.
You can fly now.
Tu cállate.
Loquita.
Your voice. Dude, like 2 more and I'm at 500. Boom. But I told you guys I can go way more than like 300. It's like no joke. No joke.
This is taking forever.
But it's going so fast for me. Well, not really that fast because I'm going faster, but it feels like so fast because I haven't gotten fast in a long time. Obviously, because I've been. Guys, more like 600 already. So right now.
600 coins.
666 coins. Oh my gosh!
He's gonna back far to get it.
Oh, you got some coins.
There's a coin.
Yeah, I got. Did you say I got some poops? You just said that right now, boy.
Don't
You just
say
said it right now. I'm talking to you, boy.
New high score!
Why are we higher than that? It's because Lynch messed up my other score. And his high score is 100. Be quiet. Yours is barely 200.
Let me try.
Okay, guys, just gonna end my video here for you Pancorns and for you Starbucks Acorns. So, bye.
Go on to Starbucks and Plant a Corn.